I just want to show you the recorder that I got for my daughter. I decided to find one on Amazon, of course, and I found this pink one. It comes in the cutest little carrying bag. It's got like this tropical vibe, and it's lined and zippers shut with this ring pull. Here is the recorder. This is the standard C-style soprano recorder. It has a removable mouthpiece, and the bottom unthreads. And it comes with this cleaning rod as well. Let's see if I can hit a couple notes. There you go. It also comes with this recorder fingering chart in the Baroque system and the German system. And each side has the diagram to show the finger placement. Everything fits neatly in this one little bag. I highly recommend this as a gift or for a beginner just learning how to play the recorder.